Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is Epson WF2930 DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can print, copy and scan and fax from this printer. This printer, you can connect it to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, and connection with USB cable connection. This printer is with rear paper input, auto copy and scan. This printer, you can print up to 10 prints per minute for black and 5 prints per minute for color. This printer is using ink cartridges 604 or 604 extra large. We're going to unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. This will help you to make a fun choice about this gear. Let's check this out. This printer, you need to connect this printer using Epson Smart Panel for it to work. You can print two-sided. Printing two-sided is 6.0 print per minute for black and 4.0 for color. Scan resolution is 1200 by 2400 dpi. Print resolution 5760 and 1440. Okay, and the connection compatibility is Wi-Fi Vista. Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and later, and many more. So we're just gonna unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. This will help you to make a fun choice about this printer. You can also connect this printer to Ready Flex, which is ink subscription. Here we go. So what we have here, the ink cartridges 604 black and magenta is red, and this one is yellow and cyan ink included with the packaging. This is the power cable, 3-pin power cable included in the packaging. I like the packaging, nice color. And here we go. This is the baby right here. This is black color, and this is the. Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is Epson WF2930 DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax from this printer. This printer, you can print auto two-sided print here. With this printer is with rear paper input, auto copy and scan, mobile printing, and LCD screen. This printer is also got automatic document feeder, ADF. This printer, you can connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, and USB cable connection. This printer is very compact. It's a multifunctional printer. Okay, now what I want to show you is, before we do anything, this printer, you need to connect this printer to Epson's panel, Epson Smart Panel, for it to work. You can also connect it, work with Apple AirPrint, Mopria. This printer is compatible with, it's compatible with Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows XP, SP3, Windows XP Professional, Windows Server, Mac iOS. Like I said earlier, connection is Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct, and high-speed USB cable connection. Printing speed, you can print 10 print per minute for black color with this printer, or 5.0 print, okay, per minute for colored. Two-sided print is 6.0 for black and 4.0, okay, for colored. Scan resolution is 1200 to 1240 dpi. Print resolution is 5760 by 1440 dpi. This printer is using ink cartridges C04 or C04 extra large. With C04 you can print 150 pages or 130 pages for colored, but with C04 extra large you can print, if you are printing black, 500 pages. If you are printing color, 350 pages. If you are using 604 extra large, this is the ink we are going to install. This is 604 normal ink, okay, that came with this printer. To set this printer up is what we are going to do, and to do this you need to first of all use the side arrow, okay, to select your language. So first thing to do is use side arrow, okay, to select your language. So now you picked up English. So if you want to select Netherlands or any other country, you just use side up and down arrow to select your country, okay. Once you select your country, click OK, okay. Now I'm going to select English. Once select English, click OK. Now finish setup using Epson Smart Panel app. Okay, so if you can set this up using the app or no. So I don't want to set it up now using the app. Click OK. Okay. Now the next is select your country. So I can see Uganda, UK, Ukraine, US. So I'm going to select United Kingdom. Select OK. Now the next is daylight and daylight saving time. You can select daylight saving time. You can select on and off. I want to leave it off. Okay. Now select the date format. Okay. Date format, you can select day, month and year. Okay, select OK for it. Then you use the figures here. Okay, use the figures to type the date. Today is 28/12/2022. Okay, and once you're done, select OK. Okay, now select time format. You can select the time 12 hours or 24 hours. I want to leave it to 24 hours. Select OK. Okay, now select the time. Now I can check the time is 15. Time is 14:35. Okay, and select OK. Here we go. So it's getting ready. Okay, so it's preparing. Okay, the next, once it's done, you need to get ready to install the ink. Okay, so it's getting ready. Okay, now the next is install ink cartridges that came with this printer. Then start initialization. So the next to do is lift up this printer. Okay, lift up here. Okay, you can see the ink cartridges holder it moves away from the corner to where it's supposed to be so that we can change it. Okay, and it's self-explanatory. You can see the black, there's a sticker on top of it. You can see the black color, yellow, magenta and cyan. So follow the sticker pattern. So we're going to install the ink. The first we need to go with is the black color. Okay, just need to open it up. So this is the black. When you are opening this up, also make sure, be mindful of the chip. Okay, just need to open this properly. Okay, here we go. This is the black. The next you need to do, you just need to pull this, okay, air vent, pull it off. Okay, once you pull it off, you go in to the black, push it down, and the black is in. The next on the list is yellow. So look for yellow. You just need to follow the pattern. Okay, open up the yellow ink cartridges. Go in. Like I said, be mindful of the chip. Just need to pull it. If you don't pull this air vent, this ink will not work. Okay, so we'll go into yellow, push it down, and it's in. The next on the list is magenta. Okay, open it up. Okay, remove the air vent, go in to magenta, push it down, and it's in. The last but not the least is cyan. Okay, here we go. Bring it out, pull it off. Okay, then go in, push it down. Okay, so it's in. So this is how to install the ink. The next you need to do is close the printer down. Okay, once you close it down, select OK. Okay, and the next you need to do is select start. Okay, so what it's doing now is checking the ink cartridges. It's checking the ink. Here we go. Initialization. Do not power off until initialization is complete. This take about 6 minutes. So there is a line on the screen, okay, and this line is progressing slowly. So once you reach the end, it will tell you it's complete. So you just need to exercise patience and for this to complete. So you can see there are a line, okay. So initialization is what is taking place now. Okay, so initialization is taking place. Initialization is taking place. This will take about 6 minutes, but it's progressing. Okay, initialization is taking place. Okay, I just want to show you. Okay, you can see this printer, Epson Workforce, Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Direct. LCD screen is 3.7 centimeter. Auto two-sided print. Okay, auto document feed ADF. Epson Smart Panel, print on the go, setup, monitor, print, scan, and more, all from your phone. Ink cartridge 604 or 604 extra large. You can also change individual ink. Okay, Epson exceed your vision. So you can see, so it's progressing. The ink is initializing, which will take 6 minutes time to initialize. Beautiful stuff. This is nice gear. Epson Workforce 2930. Okay, now I can see initialization is complete. Click OK. Okay, so now this printer ink is installed. Check my next video how to adjust the print head and load the paper tray. Thank you. Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is Epson Workforce 2930 DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, 4-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax from this gear. This printer is using ink cartridges 604 or 604 extra large. If you check my video, you see how we install the ink. This printer, you can connect it to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, or using USB cable connection. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. We have this at Vinet Tech Store. It's an online store. Check it out. This printer is nice. You can print auto two-sided from this printer. You can also auto copy and scan from here. Okay, you can use your mobile device to print with this printer, but you need to connect this printer using Epson Smart Panel. This printer is with 3.7 LCD screen, and this printer is also with ADF, automatic document feeder. Basically, I want to show you how to load paper tray, okay, and also print alignment head. If you install the ink properly, you need to allow initialization, 6 minutes initialization to take place, and once initialization is took place, the next you need to do is you need to load the paper tray and also complete alignment head. Okay, so what we need to do now is, I got the papers here. The paper I have here is A4 paper. Okay, just gonna show you how to do this to load the paper. So you can load various sizes of paper, 4x6, various size. Okay, before, I also want to show you, if you have any paper jam, you just need to open up this section and check for any paper jam and debris. Once you're done, gently close it. Okay, so this is the power cable for this printer. The power cable goes here. This is the entire cable. Just by the side here, USB cable goes to the side here. Okay, now to load paper tray, you just need to bring this. It's using real paper tray, so you just need to decide the particular paper you want to use. Okay, just need to go in and adjust it. Okay, so this is the paper tray we loaded, the real paper tray. Now what I want to show you is how to print out alignment head. Okay, now to print out alignment head, I want to bring the camera close so that you can see what we are doing. Okay, so bring the printer, align the print head to get the best print quality. Okay, is the next thing we need to do. Okay, so align the print head to get best print quality. You can do this later or now, adjust it now. So I want to adjust it now. Select OK, but you need to make sure you load the paper, okay, to proceed. So select OK. Now you can print later or print now. I want to print it now. Select OK. Okay, load A4 paper, okay, plain paper, and print start. So select start. So now it's going to start to print the document. Here we go. Okay, now it's asking us, are there any missing segment? Okay, if you look on it, you check if there's any missing segment. You can select yes or no. Select no. Okay, now align print position to fix misalignment. Okay, so you can adjust now. Select OK. Okay, load paper and print. So it's going to print alignment head. I'll encourage you to do this before, okay, you start to use your printer so that it will function properly, okay? Okay, here we go. It's printing out the alignment. Now, you can see this is the alignment printed out. Now, the next thing to do is, okay, look at the printout and choose box with the list line, or the next screen. On the next screen, select the number. So look on this printout, choose box with the list line. Okay, you can see number 1, we have this. Some of the line are full. Okay, you can't see any line, but this one you can see this number 1 now. Okay, select OK to proceed. Okay, and number 1, I will select number 1 for it. So you can use up and down arrow to select the number you want and select OK. So I'm going to select number 1, okay, for the number 1 question. Okay, then select OK. Then you proceed to number 2. So look on number 2, okay, and check the one with few lines. So I'm going to select number 7. Use up and down arrow to select number 7. Select OK. Then progress to number 3. So look on number 3 and see the one with, I will select number 1 for it. So scroll up and look for number 1. Select OK. Then proceed to number 4. So look on number 4 and see the one with few strikes. I will select number 7. Okay, select OK. Now proceed to number 5. Okay, look on it. Number 5, I will select number 1 for it. Okay, select OK again. Number 6. So look on number 6 and see the one with, so I'm going to select number 7 for it. Scroll up and select OK. The last but not the list is number 7. So look on it and see if there's a one with few strike. I will select number 3 for this. Okay, select number 3. Select OK. Okay, now load A4 paper. Okay, load A4 size paper in the rear paper feeder and start printing. Select again, start printing. So now what it's doing is printing the horizontal aspect. So this is vertical. So it's printing the horizontal. Here we go. So it's printing the horizontal. Okay, so this is the horizontal. So okay, now choose the rectangular that are not separated or overlap. So if you look at it, you see the one that are not separated or overlap. I will select number 7. Okay, select OK to proceed. Okay, choose number 7 for it. Okay, click OK. Print head alignment complete. You can adjust again from, okay, so now this printer is done. Okay, so the next is asking us is fax setting wizard. Okay, so you can set the fax or letter. Okay, so if you want to do this later on, you need to select hash. Okay, so I want to set up letter. Okay, fax is not set up yet. Remind me later. So if you want select OK to remind you later, but I don't want to set the fast. I haven't got fast at home or in my office, so I select OK. Okay, here we go. You can see once you're done, you are ready to go. You can see the doc, it will show you copy. So you are ready to copy, okay, and do so many things. You can use the side arrow to scan to computer, okay, WSD, fax, okay, quiet mode, settings, okay, help, okay, confirm ink level, maintenance, print failure, okay. So this is how this printer work, okay. Then you use the side arrow to go back to copy. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much and stay blessed. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much. This is Epson WF2930 DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, 4-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can print, copy and scan and fax from this printer. This printer, you can connect it to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, and also connection using USB cable connection. What I want to show you is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct even if you don't have network. And to do this, we need to first of all, okay, go to our mobile device. If you go to the settings for your mobile device, yeah, go to connection, okay, and once you go to connection, then you select, go to Wi-Fi network, okay, and once you can see Wi-Fi direct Epson, okay, so select on it. Now we need to put the password for this, and how to do this, we need to go to the printer and get the Wi-Fi direct password. To do this, we need to go to settings, use the side arrow, okay, go to settings, select, once you select settings, select OK, okay, and scroll down to network settings, select OK, okay, printer, print status sheet, okay. So what you need to do is print status sheet, select OK, okay, print network status sheet, okay, print OK. So now it's printing out network status sheet. This network status sheet will have all the information that we need to connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct. So what it's doing now is printing out network status sheet. Okay, this is the information printed out. Okay, and you can see Wi-Fi direct. Okay, and it's showing us now we need to Wi-Fi direct. Okay, so this is the information. Okay, so we need to first of all connect this printer, make sure we connect this printer. Okay, you can see wireless is off. Okay, so Wi-Fi direct, we're supposed to have the Wi-Fi direct information. Okay, Wi-Fi direct is off. Okay, so we need to first of all, okay, go back to the settings. Okay, go back to settings, select OK. Okay, go to network settings, Wi-Fi setup. Okay, select OK to Wi-Fi setup, scroll down to Wi-Fi direct, select OK to proceed to Wi-Fi direct. Okay, and select OK. Now select OK. Okay, so now it's asking us, okay, so it's just checking the settings. Okay, now you can use the printer from Epson Smart Panel, okay, or other method. Click OK. Okay, so what we need to do now is we need to go to the settings and print out the Wi-Fi, print out the status report again, select print. Okay, so we need to check. So it's printing out. We need to see if the Wi-Fi direct details is on this one. So initially the Wi-Fi direct was not on. Okay, so we need to cancel the Wi-Fi direct. We need to select, okay, simple. Here we go. You can see Wi-Fi direct is on now. Okay. Okay, what I want to show you, can see Wi-Fi direct is on. Initially, okay, we printed Wi-Fi direct, it was off. Okay, so you need to first of all make sure the Wi-Fi direct is on. And this is the Wi-Fi direct is on. And this is the password. Okay, so this is the password we need to put on my mobile device now. Okay, so but we just need to wait for everything to print out, or you can cancel it. Okay, so the next we need to do is we just need to wait for this to print. Okay, here we go. So this is the information. Okay, or it printed out all the wireless network that is available here and tell you that they are excellent. So these are all the Wi-Fi network which you have not connected, but what you want to do is to connect this printer now, okay, to Wi-Fi direct. Okay, now what we need to do, this is a Wi-Fi direct, so we have the password here. Okay, so the password is here, so I'm going to put the password. You can use the I sign to double check if the information you put is correct. Okay, and once you're done, click connect. So now I put the password. The password, we printed it out from here. Okay, so we are just waiting to see what it's doing. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct. Okay, you can see, click connect. What I need to do is also, I can also need to go back to make sure is the correct, because I had Epson printer before, okay, which I connected to Wi-Fi data, so I need to go back. Okay, if it's not connecting, then I need to go back. Also, you need to put auto reconnect. So we just need to wait to see if it's connecting. Okay, can see now, select auto reconnect. We need to go back to the Wi-Fi. Okay, here we go. Exactly. So I picked up wrong one. Okay, so this is the Wi-Fi direct. Okay, Wi-Fi direct 2930 series. Select on it. Okay, now we need to put this password. So initially I had a different printer. Okay, so we need to put this password now. Okay, you can use the I sign to check. Once you put the password, select connect. Here we go. So it's checking the quality of your internet. Okay, here we go. Connected without internet. Okay, so it's connected without internet, and also it shows your internet may not be available. If you want to connect to this network without internet access, you can connect only this time, or you can set up your phone to always connect to it even if network isn't available. You can change this in the setting. Okay, so I want to connect, always connect. Okay, connected without internet. Now what you need to do is, so this printer now is connected. Okay, now we can go back to the, okay, we can go back to the settings. okay, which you can go back to the Epson Smart Panel, okay, and look for, here we go. You can see this Wi-Fi 2930. Select on it. Connection is complete. Okay, connection is complete. Click OK. So this printer now is connected. Okay, this printer now is connected. Here is Wi-Fi WF2930. So this printer is connected to Wi-Fi direct without internet. So you can actually print, do a lot of stuff, okay, do so many things with this printer, okay. So this is how you can still copy and scan without internet, okay. You just need to connect this printer using Wi-Fi direct, okay. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Also, check out my next video, how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. Thank you very much and stay blessed. Thank you. Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much. This printer is Epson WF2930 DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, 4-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax from here. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network is what we're going to do. To connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, this printer you can connect it to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, or connection using USB cable. Check my video, you'll see how we connected this printer to Wi-Fi direct. Okay, what I want to show you now is how to set this printer up, connection using Wi-Fi network. And to do this, you need to make sure you download the Epson Smart Panel on your mobile device. Okay, go to Play Store. Okay, go to Play Store and download Epson Smart Panel. Type Epson Smart Panel on your mobile device. Okay, download it. Okay, and click it open. Now what we need to do is this. Once you click it open, it will start to search for available device. Start to search for available printer. Okay, is what it's doing now is searching for available printer. Sometimes you just need to give this a little bit of time, so it will pick up the Wi-Fi network that is available. Is what is doing. Okay, now I can see it picked up the Wi-Fi network that is available, and also picked up Wi-Fi direct that is available. So what we need to do is we need to go back. Okay, so go back. Okay, click add a printer. Okay, now set up a new product. Okay, so now it's asking us thank you to choose your Epson product. Let's continue. Okay, make sure your product is switched on. Okay, click next. Okay, so it starts to search for available product. Here we go. So it found the product WF2930. Okay, you can see this is the product it picked up. Okay, select on it. Are you sure you want to select WF2930 series? Yes. Okay, you can see all the questions. Okay, now do you want to set up Wi-Fi for this product? Please select yes. Okay, the Wi-Fi, this printer is already connected to Wi-Fi. Confirm the product status. This printer is already connected to the Wi-Fi. Click next. If the product can be used with the Wi-Fi already set up, return to the home screen and select second. Okay, so go back to click the reset, or you can go back to the home screen. So it's saying that this printer is already connected. Go to the home screen. Okay, now what I want to show you is also we can go back. Okay, because this printer is already connected to so go to this settings, and the printer is here, is already connected using Wi-Fi direct. Okay, what I want us to show you is also you can also select click it open. So go to Epson panel. add a product. Okay, connect a product already on the Wi-Fi. Now it will start to search for available product. Here we go. You can see Wi-Fi. Okay, you found out Wi-Fi direct 2930 series. Select on it. Okay, a connection request has been sent to the product. Okay, and for the product without LCD screen. Okay, you can see connection request received. It shows my mobile device. Okay, you can select OK to approve or reject. Select OK. Okay. Okay, so now I accepted it. Here we go. Here we go. Connection is complete. This is the printer WF2930 series. Select OK. This is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. But because I already connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct, okay, so you picked it up. Sometimes you need to make sure you put your password and every other thing for you to use this printer. But now this printer is, can see, ready to print. Okay, and so you can do so many things with this printer now. Okay, I also want to show you some of the features from this printer. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi. Okay, if you want to copy, then you select copy, use the side arrow, scan to computer. Okay, WSD. This is fax. So use the side arrow, can select quiet mode. Okay, so that if you want to print your document, it will be quieter. Okay, now go to the settings. It will show you supply status, maintenance, printer setup, network settings, Epson Connect service. Okay, if you want to go to network settings, select OK. Printer status sheet. If you want to print it out, then it will show you the network. Okay, Wi-Fi setup, connection check, so you can check the connection. Okay, so it's checking the network connection. Okay, now it's telling us connection failed, print report, so you can select print report. Okay, so this is check network connection. Okay, now also something I want to show you is you can also print status report. Select OK, print. So it's printed out status report. Okay, and here we go. Now it's telling us, okay, wireless communication. Okay, now what I want us to, we can actually cancel this. Okay, so cancel it. Okay, and now the other thing you can do is to connect this printer to Wi-Fi. Okay, you can also go back. Okay, go to printer setup, select printer setup. Okay. Okay, go to the settings. Yeah, now go to printer setup. You can see the paper sound quiet mode. Okay, then you go back. Okay, go to the settings again. Maintenance. Okay, you can see nozzle check, head cleaning, power cleaning, print alignment, okay, ink replacement. Okay, then you go back. Okay, you can see printer setup, network setup, select OK. Okay, you can see printer status, Wi-Fi setup, select Wi-Fi setup. Okay, Wi-Fi recommended, select OK to proceed. Okay, you can print wirelessly from your mobile device, click OK. Okay, now select OK. So it's checking. Okay, and now you select the network you want to connect this printer to. Scroll down to select network. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to put the password, okay, which I have the information. Okay, so this is also what you need to do. So I have the information for the Wi-Fi password, so that this, okay, so now use the arrow, use the details here to put the password for the Wi-Fi. Okay, so scroll down, click OK to select the capital. So what I'm doing now is to put the, okay, so initially this printer was connected to Wi-Fi direct. Okay, so what I'm doing now is to connect this to Wi-Fi. Okay, so I also scroll down to select small letter. Okay, scroll down to select the information. Okay, scroll back down to change it to capital. Okay, scroll down to select small letter. Okay, scroll up to select the next. Scroll sideways to select the, okay, scroll down again to select the next number. Okay, select OK. Now scroll down to change it to capital. Okay, so what I'm doing now is putting the password required. Okay, select, okay, and scroll down, select. Now scroll down to small letter. Okay, scroll down to select, scroll down to select the next, sideways to select. Now scroll back down to change to figure, scroll down sideways to select the number. Okay, scroll down again, scroll down, okay, and select the capital. Scroll upwards, okay, and the last but not the least, scroll up, select OK, then scroll down to select OK. Once you finish, put all the details, select OK. So it's checking now. Okay, setting up the Wi-Fi. Okay, so what it's doing now is setting up the Wi-Fi. So that when you print out this information, it will show you that the Wi-Fi is on. Okay, so what it's doing now is printing out, setup complete, select OK. Okay, now if you want to, you can go back to your phone, okay, and go to Epson Smart Panel, open it up. Okay, now the next you need to do is update. Takes several minutes. Okay, you can perform an update from fireware. Okay, now what I want to show you, okay, so now we're going to go back, we're not looking for product, okay, that is on this. Here we go. So we need to click add a device. Okay, confirm a product. Here we go. This is the product available. Okay, WF29. Select on it. You can see connection is complete. Select OK. Okay, so now this printer is connected via Wi-Fi network. If you want to print out, okay, the settings for you to see if the information, okay, is correct, go to network setting, print out printer. You can also print out print status sheet, select print. Okay, so it's going to print out status sheet, and also it will show you the network, wireless network. Okay, so what is going to show us now that Wi-Fi network is connected. Yeah, you can see Wi-Fi wireless is on. Okay, I'm going to cancel it now. The information we need is, okay, you can see I want to show you wireless is on, okay, and also it will show you the network information, okay, and also show you link status is connected. Okay, so this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, and this printer now is connected to Wi-Fi network, which you can also, if you want to select network, check connection check. Okay, so you can select connection check and you check network connection. Okay, so this, then you can also print report. Okay, print report. Okay, so it will print report and show you. Okay, here we go. So this is the network check. You can see it's pass. Okay, initially. So once you connect, network is working correctly. Okay, and this is the pass. Wireless network pass. Communication mode, everything is pass. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network and print it out, and we show you that network connection is passed and everything. Okay, so this printer now is connected to Wi-Fi network. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Okay, thank you very much and stay blessed. Thank you. Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is Epson Workforce WF2930 DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, 4-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this printer. This printer you can also scan using ADF. Now what I want to show you is how to scan your document with this printer. Okay, print it out, share. Okay, is what we are going to do to scan the document. You can also scan double-sided. To scan your document, you need to select the document you want to scan. Okay, now we need to use our mobile device. Okay, so this printer is connected to Epson Smart Panel. Okay, so go to Epson Smart Panel, okay, and select scan. Okay, we want to select scan, and now go to the scan settings. So this is the scan setting. Select source. Okay, so now the source we have here is glass scanner. If you select ADF, then you need to select ADF. So at the moment we select, okay, glass scanner is selected. Okay, now document type is A4 paper, is what we have here, is A4. Okay, so you can, if you have different document like A5, A6, then you select on it. So what we have is A4 paper. Okay, now image, we select color. If you want to scan this black and white, then you select, change it to black and white. Okay, but at the moment we want to scan this colored. Okay, now image format is document PDF. If you are scanning photo, then you select it JPG. So at the moment we leave it to PDF. Okay, now go back. The next you need to do is select start scan. So this document now is scanning. Okay, this is very smooth, so it's scanning. Okay, you can see the document will scan. If you want to scan the second page, open it up, turn it upside down, close it, add scan again, and they will start to scan the second page. This is very smooth. Okay, you can see the second page, so you can do this as many as you like. Okay, now what we need to do is I want to bring this out. Okay, remember we selected scan, okay, colored. If you want to scan a black and white, you need to change it. Instead of color, you change the color to black and white. Once you're done, click next. Okay, now you can save this document to the picture, or anywhere you want to save this document, to your phone or gallery, you can save it. So I want to save it on my picture. Okay, this document is now, file is saved. You can go back to home screen, or yes or no, because I still want to use this document to scan. Okay, now to print this document out, okay, click share. You select this share button, select on it. Okay, it gives you option for you to share this document to various platforms. You can send it through email, print it out. Okay, so we want to print it out using Epson Smart Panel. Okay, and this document now is attached to Epson Smart Panel. Okay, this is the first and second one. Okay, now the other thing we need to do is we need to select print. Okay, once you select print, then you need to change the color. Okay, make sure it's in colored. Okay, now printer is WF2930. Okay, printing rate, you select how many pages you want to print. Paper size, you select the paper. Okay, so you can select so many paper size, but what we have here is A4 paper. Okay, now the next we need to do is media type is plain paper, layout is borders, quality standard. If you want it high quality, then you change it to high quality. Okay, now the next is also paper source is real paper tray. Okay, we have it at real paper tray. You can select it as automatic, then you pick it from anywhere you load the paper. Okay, now the next is two-sided. Okay, select two-sided long edge. Okay, so now this document, okay, we're going to print it out colored, double-sided. Okay, select, then you can change, you can also select how many copies. If you want it more than one, then you select add. Okay, like if you want it two, then you add 2 copies. If you want it one, then you add 1 copy. Select OK, print it out. So now this document is going to print out two-sided, colored. Here we go. So it's printing out. Okay, you can see, so it does this automatically. So it's going to go in and print out the second page automatic. Okay, so it does this on printer. Will ask you to, turn the document you want to scan, turn it upside down for the, so, but this one does it automatically. So it's printing out the second page, and it's printing it out colored. Okay. And it's very quick and fast. Okay, so this is the document we printed out double-sided. Okay, we scanned this document and printed out double-sided. I want us to now to print this document, okay, black and white and single page each. Select print. Okay, now change the color to black and white. Okay, now change from double-sided, okay, click it off to single, select print. So this document now we're going to print it out black and white and single page. Okay, so it's going to be 2 instead of 1. Okay, remember we printed out this one double-sided. Okay, so the one we are printing now is black and white. Okay, single page each. Here we go. This is the first one. Okay, you can see the first one, black and white. Okay, the second page is coming out. Okay, this is the last. Okay, we printed this document black and white and a single page each. Okay, so this now I want to show you how to share this, send this document to as email. Okay, to send it as email, then we need to go back. Okay, go back to the home page. Okay, go back to the home page. Yes or no? No. Okay, now we need to share this document. Okay, to email. Now look for your email address, and this is my email address. This document now is going to attach on my inbox. Okay, this is my email address, and this document now is attached to my inbox. Now what you need to do is type the email address of the person you want to send this to. I'm going to send this document back to myself. Okay, click send. Then you need to put the subject. Okay, subject is empty. Click OK. So you put the subject. Okay, now it's asking us go back to the home page. Yes, because we have finished things we need to do. Okay, so what we need to do now is we need to go back. Go back to my inbox. Okay, check if this document is there. So this is my inbox. Okay, so this is my inbox. Just need to scroll down and wait for this document. Here we go. The document is in my inbox. Click it open. Okay, click it open. The document is downloading. Here we go. This is the document sent inside my inbox. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. So this is how to scan your document, print it out double-sided, okay, or print it out single page with black and white, black or colored. Thank you and stay blessed. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Epson Workforce WF2930 DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, 4-in-1 if you like. In the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax from this printer. If you check my video, you see how we connected this printer to Wi-Fi network. Complete third alignment head. Scan document with this printer. What I want to show you is how to scan document using ADF. So you can scan, auto copy or scan using ADF with this printer. Okay, so this printer got automatic document feeder. To scan your document with ADF, open up the ADF, okay, and stick the document you want to copy or scan, okay, on the ADF. Okay, so stick the document you want to copy or scan here. So make sure you, okay, so this is ADF. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to use our mobile device, okay, and go back to the Epson smart panel. Okay, now go to scan. Okay, go to scanner. Okay, and this is the scanner for this printer. Go to the settings. Okay, now what you want to do is go to document source. Okay, document source, select, make sure you select ADF. Okay, now the next is document type is A4 paper, image. Okay, we want to scan this document colored. Okay, now resolution 300 dpi is standard. You can change it to 600 dpi. You can change it to low. Okay, so standard is 300 dpi. Okay, now you can select automatic or image format is PDF. If it's a photo, you change it to JPG. So this is image format is PDF. Then we'll go back, start scan. Okay, now it's telling us paper jam, ADF, remove the paper jam. Okay, so we just need to make sure. Okay, so make sure that the ADF, okay, make sure that nothing is hindering it. Okay, so go back in again. Okay, so make sure it's A4. We selected A4. Okay, okay. Now it's telling us original paper jam. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to start again. Select ADF, click start. Remove any paper jam and scan again. See the product documentation show. Okay, so now, okay, click OK. Just want to make sure that, okay. Okay, so select ADF, click start scan. Okay, paper jam, and once you're done, select OK. Okay, did you remove any paper jam? Select yes. Okay, so answer the question, did you remove paper jam? Click yes. Okay, so now this printer is ready. Okay, so we need to wait for the info warning light, okay, to disappear. Okay, the warning light here disappeared. Okay, select start scan. Here we go. You can see the ADF is scanning. Here we go. Okay, you can see the ADF. The second page is going. You can see scanning. Okay, and it's paper jam, ADF, remove paper jam and proceed. Okay, okay, so we just need to remove it. Okay, so the paper is jam here. Okay, so make sure we remove the paper. Okay, you can see we should have removed the paper. Okay, now click OK. So we need to answer the question, remove the paper jam. Select yes. Okay, did you remove the paper jam? Yes. Okay, so now I can see these are the documents. Okay, so only one is what is wanted to do. Okay, now I'm going to delete it and start again. Delete. Yes. Okay, so now to scan using ADF. Okay, just want to do this. Okay, select the document, stick the document you want to copy using ADF. Okay, now select start scan. Here we go. So the document is scanning. Okay, you can see this is the document scan. Okay, now the other thing I want us to do is, if you want to scan this document double-sided, then we remove the document. Okay, now select next. You can share this document, print it out, or do so many things with it. Okay, if you want to save this document, then you select save. This document is saved. Okay, now if you want to print it out, select print. Okay, and select. Okay, now select the printer. Okay, select print. Okay, now change document color. Okay, and print two-sided long gauge. Print it out. So this document going to be print out two-sided. Remember, I also want to check if we scan this document only one-sided, okay, to see if it picked up the two-sided, or we need to select it using the app. So what it's doing now is printing out the document we scan. Okay, now it's going back inside. What I want us to do, what I want us to check is to see if it's scanned the double-sided. Okay, so it's going to go back inside. Okay, you can see what it does is, so with ADF only scan one-sided, so only one-sided is scanned. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to go back. Okay, go to select, stick the document you want to scan or copy using ADF. Okay, now go back to the home screen. Yes, now what I want us to do is go to scan settings. Okay, and select. Okay, you can see the document source is ADF. Okay, now image size is A4. Okay, image color is colored. Resolution is standard DP 300 dpi. Auto rotation image format is JPG. So you can only scan, okay, with ADF here, you can only scan one-sided, okay, with ADF. Okay, so you can only scan one side with ADF, or to do this you can also use manual scan with ADF. Okay, so you need to this. Okay, so let's start scan. Okay, so now, so make sure you put the document. Okay, check the following: the product is powered on, Wi-Fi is connected, and the product on smartphone is established. If this problem is solved, okay. So what we need to do is make sure. Okay, so okay, just need to make sure that we establish. Okay, to scan with ADF, select scan. So go back to the network, make sure the printer is on. Okay, the printer is there. Okay, select scan. Go to the settings. Select source is ADF. Okay, now select start scan. The product found, check the Wi-Fi network and click. If the Wi-Fi is not resolved, start the route again. Okay, I need to go back to. Okay, so go to the settings and make sure the Wi-Fi, the product is on the Wi-Fi. Okay, so check, make sure the product is connected. The product is telling us communication error. You can see communication error. Okay, so this product now is, we need to make sure that it's connected. So go to add a print product. Okay, so there was a communication. Would you like to check the product is not yet? So connect the product is on the Wi-Fi. Okay, so now it's going to, we're going to look for this product to show up. Here we go. You can see the Wi-Fi. Select on it. Select Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is connected. Okay, you can see connection. Okay, click OK. So we need to go back now. Okay, to scan this document. So initially the Wi-Fi, there was a disconnection. Click scan ADF. Okay, click start. Here we go. You can see it's scanning. Okay, so it's scanning the ADF. Okay, and if you want to scan another one, then the other thing you can do is put the document down. Okay, if you want to scan the other side again, put the document down. Okay, okay, and select start scan again. Okay, so the second page, Okay, so I'm going to cancel it because it's not, okay, so it's not picking up. Okay, so what we need to do is close it. Okay, click OK, the paper jam, select OK. Proceed. Did you change the paper jam? Click yes. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to select, okay, and we need to select start scan. Here we go. So it's scanning the second page using ADF. Okay, so this is the document we scan. Okay, ADF. So we have the two-sided here. Okay, we have the two documents. Now select, if you want to print it out, select next. Okay, save this document, you save it. Okay, if you want to print it out double-sided, then select share. Okay, and it'll give you option for you to print it out using the, okay, you can see the second page. Okay, select print. Now they select, okay, print two-sided long edge. Okay, so you can select and start, and it will start to print. Okay, so what it's going to do now is going to print two-sided. This document will scan. Okay, single page will scan, but it can't scan it automatic. Okay, so using ADF, we can do automatic document scan using ADF. Okay, so only what you're going to auto two-sided print, but scanning, you just need to scan it and change the other side to scan again before you can be able to print it out double-sided. Here we go, it's going back inside. Okay, so we can print double-sided, but scanning with ADF, we need to scan the document, scan one side and turn the other side down. Okay, to scan. Once you scan it finish, then when you are printing it out, then you select double-sided print. The document will print out double-sided. Okay, here we go. So our job is done. Okay, and it's complete. Here we go, job completed. You can see we printed it out double-sided. Okay, but when we scan this document, we scan it with ADF. We scan the first side. Okay, turn it upside down again, then click scan and scan it through. Okay, so we have two documents to scan here. Then printing it out, we printed it out two-sided on one page. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.